Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just coming home from work. I am a little exhausted, but I just wanted to come and share my experience today. So maybe somebody can learn from my story. Let me take these glasses off. Maybe somebody could learn from my story. Anyway, greetings, guys. Greetings. I hope your day is going well. I hope you guys are very, very taking care, very, very, very good care of yourself. Self-care, self-love, all of that good stuff. Giving yourself a hug if you really need one, okay? Getting out, getting some fresh air, and loving on to yourself. That's number one. But I just want to talk about, today I really want to talk about work environment because I feel like it's an issue. A lot of the younger people do not want to go, I'm going to say, on the plantation, okay? Because some of these, the way some of these jobs are structured, they still think they're like, they really think they have indentured servants, for real. And it's really, really horrible, the way they treat some of their employees. No matter where you go, you always have a boss trying to talk down to someone or the people that are in leader. Shout out to all the good bosses. Shout out to all the good leaders. Okay? That know how to listen. Okay? That know how to listen first without projecting on their employees. All right? And being fair. You know, it's a balance. And being fair. So, I want to talk to you guys about making sure when you go on these jobs, you know your employment rights. Okay? Because you guys, make sure you know that you have rights. Not HR. You do have right in HR, but remember I said over and over again, HR is for the employer, not for you. They're going to document things just to make sure it's on paper. But trust me, they're not fighting for you. They're going to make sure the company is good. Okay? HR is not, again, I repeat, HR is not for the employees. All they're doing is documenting, God forbid, if there's a legal issue and they have to go to court, they have everything documented. When you get on these jobs, make sure when they give you the handbook, you know the handbook that they give you guys that you just toss to the side, you need to read the fine print. First of all, you need to read the policy. You need to know your company policy. It's just so much meat and potato in that handbook that you guys toss to the side, and you need to read it. Okay? They have OSHA laws in there. They have your rights as an employee in there. Who to contact if there's an issue besides HR. Okay, because some of these jobs also have anonymous numbers that you can call and make a complaint. Okay? I have the air conditioner on in my car. I hope you guys can hear it. So whatever state you live in, if you live in the Americas, I don't know about other countries, I could only talk about the Americas. Okay? If you live in America, it don't matter. I'm in New York, right? But say you're in Atlanta. You go to .gov Atlanta. Okay? I'm in New York.gov. So you go Atlanta.gov and you go on the website. They have employment. They have all type of things there. Those .gov sites are there to help you. Are there for the people. All right? But a lot of people don't like to read these days. And that's why they put it there, because they know you guys are not going to read it. But just remember to make sure you read the employees handbook. If you have any questions, you could always ask HR to reiterate, but you don't have to do that. Just go to, listen to what I tell you. Go to the .gov, New York.gov, Atlanta.gov, wherever you are, .gov, and read the employees' rights so you'll know. That means you want to get the, they have some legal aid information on those sites, and just some, I think Better Business Bureau is on there. Definitely OSHA is on there. Rights about here, like every time, like I do independent contracting, so every time I'm doing something on the interview, I don't really have to disclose it on the interview, but I always tell them, hopefully you don't have an issue with me wrapping up my hair, because that's the Crown Act, by the way. Your employees are not supposed to discuss your hair. You have rights, okay? They could tell you minimum makeup, but they can't tell you don't wear makeup. You know what I mean? You could wear minimum makeup. But anyway, get to know your rights, okay, guys? So and your lunch rights, your break rights, and that's what I came to talk to you guys about. Even though you're an independent contractor or you on the job, whatever it is, sometimes, yes, production, it gets busy. Like in the job, it gets very busy, but you still have the right. If you miss your particular lunch hour or your break hour, because, you know, according to production, right? If you can't take your break maybe at 1 o'clock, then take your break at 3 o'clock. I don't know what the cutoff point is. Some jobs have cutoff point to take lunch, but it's up to your supervisor, your lead, and you yourself to make sure you tell them you didn't get a break today and you would like a break. You have some jobs have hour breaks plus half an hour break. You know, some jobs only have half an hour break, depending on the policy that you're supposed to go read. Okay, guys? So I just want to make sure you guys have the information on that. You have rights. You have the right to speak up on your job. So this is why I came here too. I don't know if I did this on this YouTube page, but I did it on my Instagram. Guys, I went to do my nails in the Korean shop, and the young lady was brand new, and she act like, and that's one of the things about that particular salon, and it happens in other ones as well. It's like they act like they can't talk, but they don't know also that they have rights. They're so scared. You don't have to be on any job and be terrified, okay? This is not a concentration camp. So anyway, just know your rights, guys. You need money, right? But you don't have to be desperate. Like what happened to me today. I drive for a living, so I was doing so many. I think I did about 7-8 trips today, and it was busy, so I really didn't get a chance to do break. I usually take my own break, and I was way down on the islands. And they kept on calling me because nobody else wanted to do the job. And I told them, I said, listen, I'm 20 minutes away, but when I come, I'm gonna have I want to take a half an hour lunch. He asked me the same question 3 times, 3 different ways. The last time I was up to here. So now I decided to tell him, listen, I don't know what else or how you want me to answer you, because you are asking me the same question 3 different times. I'm telling you. So I broke it down. I said, I'm 20 minutes away, give or take the time I gotta do what I do when I get on the site. Let's say 35 minutes. Plus my half an hour lunch. Okay? Plus I gotta drive back to the place. So whatever you want to do. Now the corporate office is in Florida and I'm in New York. Well, you need to get a map and see what's going on. You should know about production because you're on the phone. I just got pissed off and I was like, do whatever you want to do, but I'm going to take my break. You know? These jobs, like I said, they act like you're on the plantation. I'm serious about that. Like, I don't want you guys to ever go to anybody's job, anybody's assignment, and feel like you're scared to talk, you can't use the bathroom, you can't laugh, you can't. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Nobody controls you but God. Okay? So anyway, that's all I wanted to come here and share with you guys. Know your employment rights. Okay? All you got to do is let your fingers do the walking. Listen, this is the information highway, and you guys need to really be up on things. Read more. Go on these websites, these .gov websites, get the information you need. Things are always changing. Upgrade your resume, upgrade yourself, your personal self, by reading, by taking seminar, by going out, networking. Update yourself. Things are changing. There's a lot of talents out here, and you want to make sure, I don't care if you're $99.99, you want to make sure you always leave an open mind and that you're always growing. All right? That's my message. That's my gift for you guys today. Enjoy. Please comment down here. What is the worst thing that ever happened to you on a job? What did you have to put up with because of a job? I say you don't have to put up. I say get another job. Sometimes, guys, Like I was working at the airport and going through narcissistic abuse and everything. I had it up to here. I had to walk off the job for my sanity. Sometimes you got to walk away, even not knowing what you're going to do, because God always provides. I know you don't believe it. I'm in a much better space now. Okay? All right, guys. Have a good day.